Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can do the fade out in Videoleap app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Videoleap app. And once you open your Videoleap app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is click on the plus icon to start a new project. So now simply choose a video which you want to edit, and once you have selected the video, all you need to do is simply tap on the video itself. After doing so, tap on the animation option and simply choose the out option. So once you press on the out option, you can see the fade out on the first option slide. So simply tap on it and now your Videoleap video will have the fade out in it. So this is how you fade out in Videoleap. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.